Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. You can see this red color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 5010, which was more or less near the previous day's price closing. So we can consider this is a continuation of what had happened earlier on the previous day. What we expected was that we expected that crude oil has got the potential to maintain its downtrend, but we keep on repeatedly we insisted on the importance of 5000 and 5020 zone because this is the psychological zone, whether the price is going to stay above 5000 or this contract can see price below 5000. This is the crucial point, but we still believed, even if the price bounced back, we still believe that the crude has got the potential to maintain its downtrend. We advise conservative traders to stay away if they don't get a clear idea about the market. And also we've identified the key resistance zone, because on the previous, on 26th, you can see the market found a resistance around 5060, and also we expected the market to find a resistance around 5060 and 5120, and we are targeting this 5120 zone now. So now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the market opens, the price straight away went and tested this 5000 zone. From there the market started bouncing back. You can see the market provided a bounce back, but the major part of the price action was influenced by the rupee factor. You can go back and see where the rupee stayed and where the price stayed and everything. You can do your homework. So from that the price went and tested 5060, where it consolidated and found a resistance here. It consolidated, then again it broke that and it stayed above 5060. Now this 5060 provided as a support. After breaking 5060, it is acting as a support and closed around 5077. So this was the price action we had yesterday. On seeing the price action, it is very easy for us to conclude right from the price opening the market gave a clear bounce back and stayed and closed above 5060. So it looks as if it is a downward price action. Now it has started climbing. A single day higher closing always does not give us a confirmation that the market has completely recovered from the downtrend. It can provide us an indication. That is a major reason we advised all the conservative traders to stay away from the market unless we get a clear confirmation. But there is no change in the strategy which we are going to follow today also. Today we are expecting the price to open below 5050. So today's the price opening is expected to be below 5060. So this is going to be the price opening is going to play a key and major role, because partly we are predicting the price opening based upon the rupee factor, but based upon the NYMEX price opening, but based upon the rupee. Today the rupee is fluctuating a lot, so it depends highly influenced, particularly crude oil. It has got a great influence. So you should know where the rupee is going to stay. So as far as we are concerned, the price is likely to open below 5060 or 5050. So it's going to, again, 5060 should act as a potential resistance for the market till 5120. At the convergence of the average, we are expecting the market to stay in downtrend. So till 5120 we are expecting the market to stay in downtrend. So we need to see what is going to happen around 5120, because this was the zone which provide a clear line of demarcation between the uptrend and the downtrend. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And today also there is no change in the strategy which we followed earlier, unless we see the price breaks this 5120 and put a price closing and a strong price action near 5160, like what it happened around 5060, because it will give you a price action like this. It will stay in and around, it will go and come around, then it gives us a clear direction. So we are waiting for that. Till this zone we expect the market to continue its downtrend. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Again, this is going to be the key zone 5000 and 5020. Monitor this zone very carefully. This may give you a clear indication in the future also. This will help you and guide you in the future. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.